Machining challenge got you stuck.
Facing extreme hardness daily.
Diamond level cutting tool is a must.
High-speed cuts, redefined output. Dry cutting. Workflow simplified. Hardened steel. Effortless machining.
High-temp alloy goes through easy.
Precision so solid.
Parts match. Glossy surface.
No extra steps. Cutting tool outlasts.
Boosts efficiency.
Replace less.
Spend less. Good.
The choice for excellence. Curious about real performance. Jakarta Industrial Expo.
Indonesia. Next-gen cutting tools on display.
Good booth.
Catch us live.